Hi, my name is Kathy and I'm the art teacher from Art Project for Kids. I hope it becomes your favorite place for finding easy step-by-step art lessons. In today's drawing video, I'd like to show you how to draw a giraffe face. It's made from some pretty odd looking shapes, but they all add up to something that looks pretty cute. Let me show you how. The supplies you're going to need for this project are pretty simple, just drawing paper, pencil, black marker, and crayons. There's also a matching tutorial that you can download from my website. Now, before you begin your drawing, it's really helpful to take a minute to create some guides on your paper. All you have to do is fold and crease your paper in half in both directions. You'll end up having lines that match my tutorial, which really help you see where to draw. Step number 1. The U shape for the mouth needs to start about halfway down that bottom section, maybe an inch or so to the left and the same to the right. I like to make dots to plan first, so my shapes have a better chance of being even on both sides. And here's what that curved U shape is going to look like. It helps to do one side at a time so you can see if they are matching each other. Step number 2. The top of this mouth shape starts on the line about right here. Imagine drawing just the top part of a heart on the right side and then the same on the left side like this. Just leave that bottom open. Now some nostrils are added inside. I think they look like little flower petals. Step number 3. To find the place to start the cheek lines, move your pencil halfway down across the middle line and up about an inch and make a dot. Then do the exact same thing on the other side. Now connect that dot with the side of the mouth shape with a long line like this. Afterwards, draw the same kind of line on the left side. Step number 4. To find the place to start the antlers, move your pencil about halfway down the top half and over about 2 inches or so and make a dot. Then do the same thing on the left side. Now draw a line from that dot down to connect with the one below. It needs to curve a little bit like this. And, of course, then the left side needs to have that same kind of line added. Step number 5. To draw the right antler, make a tall shape like this on the right side. And then do your best to draw an antler that is the same size on the left side. Step number 6. Okay, now come the eyes, which are large and on the very side of the head. Start by making a pair of dots like this to help you plan where they go. They do tilt up a little bit. Draw one eye first with a curve on the top and one on the bottom. Then draw the other eye on the other side, doing your best to make them both the same size. I'm going to add a small circle inside for a shiny spot. Also, giraffes are pretty famous for their long eyelashes. After the same details are added to the left side, the giraffe eyes will be all done. Step number 7. Now for the ears. Start the right one on the right side above the eye. The top line bends up a bit, goes almost to the edge of the paper, and then comes back with a curved bottom. Add an inside edge to it when you're done. To make the left ear line up with the right one, move your pencil across from the right side and then draw that outside shape. It also needs an inside line as well. Next, one of the easiest things to draw, the neck. I'm going to make mine angle a bit, but you could certainly make yours go straight up and down too if you'd rather do that. Step number 8. Now, just a few more details will finish off that face. A long curved line like this will help to define that nose. Notice I'm using the spacing on the right to help me see where to start and stop the line on the left side. Now it's time to add some spots to this face. Try making geometric shapes that have 4 or 5 sides to them. You only need a few on each side. The same shapes can go on the neck now too, just try making them a little bit bigger. Okay, all that's left now is drawing the background. To show how tall the giraffe is, you can draw the tops of trees or bushes looking like this. And some clouds in the sky will brighten things up too. Those puffy white shapes do that for almost any drawing project. Step number 9. Okay, this drawing is finally ready for tracing. Make sure your marker is making a good black line and start going over all those pencil lines. Those black lines really help make all those details stand out and actually makes your drawing easier to color too. Okay, when it comes to coloring, it helps to make those eyes really black, so a marker is great for that job. You'll find it also helps to make those little white spots really stand out. Now I'm going to take a moment to erase any extra pencil lines that are still showing. They might show through that yellow color if they get left behind. Oh, and I just remembered that the black marker works great for those nostril holes too. Now it's time to bring out those crayons. The middle of the giraffe head is going to be brown. The same is true for the mouth and all those little spot shapes too. Then comes lots of yellow. If possible, look for a kind of golden yellow crayon and start coloring away. All of the rest of the giraffe is yellow and really looks best when you press hard and get lots of crayon color on that paper. Then a bit of green is needed for that bushy shape in the background. Try to fill it in well too so that no white spots are showing when you're done. And finally, the sky. Try to work carefully around the clouds and all of the little shapes on that giraffe head. Really solid coloring here will also help the drawing look extra bright and show off your giraffe as well. Okay, there is a finished giraffe face drawing. I know it may have taken some extra time in the beginning to get that head shape right, but I hope you agree that it was well worth it. As always, I want to thank you for joining me today, and I hope you've enjoyed this drawing tutorial. I have more projects like this on my website, Art Projects for Kids, including how to draw a tiger and how to draw an elephant. Thanks for coming, and I hope to see you again here real soon.